Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You can't install the Google Play Store directly on iPhone, that's the reality. Instead, start by choosing a workable path. Use App Store Google Apps, mirror a real Android device, or rent a cloud Android instance. Once decided, check iOS version and free space and sign into the accounts you'll need. Make sure you have an Android device or a cloud provider ready, because the first actionable step is to prepare a target Android environment you can access from your Apple device. Now configure the Android endpoint. If you own an Android phone, enable developer options and remote access, install a VNC or remote desktop server, and install Google Play, sign into your Google account so apps are available. If you use a cloud Android VM, create the instance, install Play Store there, and copy the connection credentials. Once done, connect from your iPhone with the remote client so you can control Play Store and install apps as if you were using an Android device. Finish by installing and testing desired Play apps through the remote Android session. You'll stream the app UI or control it remotely on your iPhone. Make sure you optimize for latency, prefer Wi-Fi, reduce resolution, and close background tasks. If apps require Google Play services, they'll work on the Android endpoint, not natively on iOS. If something breaks, check firewall and NAT, re-enter login credentials, verify the remote server is running, and reboot the Android side before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.